Hello guys, we are back at Termini Station.
Seems to be been traveling a lot on trains this year.
Exactly. Ready to go to Naples and we'll show you around.
Alright, looking forward to it. This is going to be a fun week in Naples.
It'll be fun, stay tuned.
Well, we've arrived in Naples.
At the beautiful Excelsior Hotel, and the view is spectacular. Turn around the camera and show them. Look at this.
Well, come on in and we will show you our suite at the Excelsior Hotel.
Sounds good. And this is the main entrance of our hotel. Not too shabby, eh?
Here we are at our suite at the Excelsior in Naples, Italy. Now, you know it's COVID time because they've actually put this sticker here saying that they have sanitized the room. Let's go inside and take a look around. Wow, this view is, there's no words. We are here at MuuMuuzzarella in Naples. As you can see, it's a beautiful day. Sun is shining. We've got the sea behind us. Really beautiful. I was actually looking for salad, but you know what? Fresh buffalo mozzarella, you cannot beat it. It's absolutely wonderful, wonderful. So here we've got a beautiful salumi board. We've got some buffalo mozzarella, looks like some ricotta, and this thing is going to be gone so fast. It's like not even funny. So when you're in Naples, come on down and give this a try. This, folks, is a mozzarella in Carrozza. What they do is they take some mozzarella and they put like a batter on it. In this case, it's like cornflakes, so you know it's going to be delicious. And then they deep fry it just until it gets just ooey gooey enough that it's going to be bloody incredible. This, like the salumi board, is going to be gone like so fast. It's not even funny. Okay, let's eat. Let's eat.
It's a salad.
Well, we just finished lunch and went for a little walk along the boardwalk. So it appears here in Naples, if you want to go to the beach, you just got to bring a chair.
Well folks, this is a pretty iconic view of Naples. You can see Castel Dell'Uovo here and Mount Vesuvius over there. This castle is a very ancient fortress. Apparently this was already been built by the Greek when they were here in Naples before the Romans, so it's very, very old. And the name is a bit of a legend. It's Castel Dell'Uovo means castle of the egg. There's this legend that says when they built this castle, they put an egg in the basement. And if the egg cracks, then the castle crumbles. It's a legend. I don't know how they can see that. The castle is actually free. You can go inside and visit the castle for free and walk all the way to the top. The view from there is quite beautiful. Just at the bottom of the castle, there's what's called Borgo Marinaro, where it's the place where the fishermen in the old times used to go and bring their seafood just caught. Now it's famous for restaurants where they sell seafood. You can go there and have a very fresh seafood meal. It's actually quite cute, especially at night in the summer. It's really, really nice. Go take a look. Here we are in front of the entrance of the castle. As you can see behind me, there's all the fishing boats and some yacht as well. And lots of cute little restaurants where you can have an al fresco dinner with seafood. We continue our tour of Naples and stop at Caffè Gambrinus for coffee. Then on Via Toledo to catch the funicolare for Forte Sant'Elmo and San Martino. We are in the famous Via Toledo. This is the shopping street of Naples. It's a beautiful, beautiful place for a stroll. And these are babas. Babas is a specialty of Naples. They're absolutely delicious. They're soft and pillowy cakes soaked in rum. It's really good. You have to try one. And here, guys, we have the Quartieri Spagnoli, which were built by the Spanish when they took over Naples in 1560. And they used to be a little rough around the edges area. Now they're one of the most famous and vibrant area of Naples. Well, we're gonna go take a little train called funicolare and go up to Castel Sant'Elmo. Follow us. This is the funicolare of Naples, which is a beautiful train that goes uphill. It's pulled by a big wire, and the original one was built in 1927. This is the newer version. When you exit the train station, you just follow the sign for Castel Sant'Elmo and Museo di San Martino. Follow me. We are at the entrance of Castel Sant'Elmo, where we can see one of the most beautiful views of Naples. Well, the view from here is quite remarkable. Actually, it's probably one of the best views ever. And to get into this castle at the moment, it's July 2020, the price is $250 per person. This room is particularly interesting because it's a sundial. As you can see, there's a hole on top of the door over there, and the sun every day at noon enters and from the tiny hole and shines its ray in this black line. And you can see that the day of the year in this black line. After a little siesta, off to dinner. And this is what you eat in Naples. Look at this beauty. By the way, guys, in Naples, you do not eat pizza with your hand because look how thin it is. You would never be able to do that. You have to use your fork and knife.